What's up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for today, we're going sneaker shopping over at Commonwealth. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We are giving away a Sean Wotherspoon cap, an Under Armour Hover Sonic, and a Fila Pokemon Charizard sneaker. I'll put the link down below in the description so you guys can join the giveaway. But to join, you need to be subscribed to this channel and you need to follow me on Instagram. Earlier today, we dropped by Commonwealth over at Greenbelt 5 to check out all the latest drops that they have over there. Suffice to say, Commonwealth is packing a lot of heat, as in they have so many new sneakers, so many new pickups that it will be dizzying to pick which one that you want to buy. At least that's how I felt when I was there. I was really literally torn, holding left and right different sneakers, trying to figure out which one I would cop. To find out what I did, you have to wait until the end of the video so you guys see what was the sneaker I ended up buying. Let's kick it off. The one at the very front of Commonwealth, you have the We Love Nike Special Projects release in collaboration with Atmos. They have the three models there. Among the three, the standout for me was the blue Air Max 1. It was just so sick with the leather, the color blocking, the blue, the white. Being at the neon, those are my school colors, and that's the reason why I probably gravitated to that pair the most. And it's fortunate that they didn't have any more size 12 because if they did, it would have been an insta-cop. The second pair in the collection that caught my attention was the red model, the Air Max 90. I just love, again, the design, the color blocking, the overall vibe and feel of the shoe. Now, the great things about those two pairs in that particular collection is that they're actually being sold for under retail. International retail is would put it at a little over 7,000 pesos. It's being sold locally by Commonwealth for 6,700 something pesos. So you can actually save a little bit if you end up buying it at their store versus like going abroad and buying it in the US. The third piece in the pack is the Air Max 95, dominantly black with hints of silver, white, and red. That one didn't really talk to me much. It was priced at a little over 8,000. Definitely the priciest one among the bunch. While I think a lot of people will gravitate towards it because it's dominantly black, it was something that I felt looked like a little bit bland compared to the other two. So the first two that I mentioned were the standout. The new NMD Racers were also on display. So if you guys are in the market for buying one of the two new NMD Racers, the black one or the white one, both are currently on display over at Commonwealth with the fantastic price tag of 9,000 pesos. I did a quick video on those two pairs, so if you guys haven't checked it out, I'll put the link down below. The Indy Racer, for me, one of the best, especially this particular colorway, both white and the black, but they're just a little bit too expensive at 9,000 for my taste. I mean, seriously, the Atmos collab that I just featured or that I just showed you guys was far more affordable at 6,700 pesos compared to the general release NMD Racer. Another interesting pair that's currently over at Commonwealth is the Adidas UltraBOOST Mid Proto. It is by far the loudest and most busy and craziest UltraBOOST I've seen, with that almost neon, like yellow or neon green dominant colorway at the top. It's just a really crazy shoe. But what's even crazier about it, what's even more crazy than the colorway, is the price. It's being sold for 12,900 pesos. Woo! 12,900 pesos for an UltraBOOST. Wow. Wow. If you are a fan though of the UltraBOOST silhouette and Adidas, you really might want to check it out. It's interesting, the history behind it, the story behind the pair, and it will make you stand out and it will turn heads. Again, 12,900 pesos over at Commonwealth. The Currie Air Maxes are also still there, the one in the brown yellowish colorway and the red colorway. I was originally planning on buying one of the two when it first debuted a few weeks ago, but again, unfortunately, the size 12 curse, they only have up to until size 11. So 7,600 something pesos. You guys might want to cop either of the pairs if you're still in the market for them. Both are still available at Commonwealth over at Greenbelt. The next few pairs have already been released for a while, but they are special edition or limited pairs only, so you might want to check them out if you're still in the market for them. The Soulbox collaboration with Adidas, the Quessence and the Pure Boost are still on display. Among the two, for me, the Quessence is a standout pair. I did a review of that. I'll put the link down below. The Adidas UltraBOOST Klima in triple white is also still available over there at I think at 10,000 pesos. If that's something that you might want to get, go get it. I'll put a link again down below of the review that I did for that particular pair. Adidas D-Rup Sneaker Consortium, the one with the white and the gray, is also still available. It's still sitting there. I don't know if they still have a lot of sizes, but if you want one, again, available over at Commonwealth in Greenbelt. Moving over to Nike, of course, the Air Max 270s are there, all in the different colors, as well as the Spiridons and the Commuters. So a lot of new silhouettes that you guys can check out, try on, and put on feet, and try to get the feel for which one you would want to cop. Now we get to the part of the video where I get to share with you guys what I actually bought. And this is it. This is the box, or this is the packaging of Commonwealth. Let's do a quick unboxing for you guys, but I'll do a more formal or official unboxing. Wow, this is a lot of winding. We'll do a more official unboxing later or in another video. So obviously, as you guys can see, this is an UltraBOOST. There you have it. You have the tag, Carlo Ople size 12, sizing. Here you go. Let's take a look at what's inside. This will blind you, so be prepared. Because this is hella shiny. Oh, well, that was a fail because the paper wrap. Let's do that again. Take 2. Be prepared because this will blind you because this is hella shiny. Oh. Yep, this is what happens when you get emotional when you're buying sneakers. You end up overpaying for stuff. So here you have it, guys. This is the UltraBOOST Mid Prototype. This one sold for 12,000 plus pesos. Woo! Ouch. But here we have it. As I mentioned earlier, I'm a huge fan of the UltraBOOST silhouette, and I just couldn't pass up the chance to get this pair, especially since they had my size. Watch out for the official unboxing, on-feet review, and all of that good stuff in the coming days ahead. And that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just a quick announcement that you might find interesting. I am working on a collab video with fellow sneaker YouTuber Fresh. We're supposed to shoot this weekend, so that's going to be interesting. It'll be my first ever collab video with another fellow sneaker YouTuber, Pinoy. So I am really excited to get that out, and Fresh, excited to work with you, man. Let's make it happen. Let's make magic. Wow, that sounds so kinky, but you guys get the idea. So I hope you're all having a great week. Peace. God bless.